Wildfires have scorched Sicily, leaving at least 2 people dead, thousands evacuated, hundreds in hospitals, farms, animals, crops completely destroyed, businesses lost. We'll talk to one business owner. Palermo Airport was closed for a few hours because the wildfires came so close to its terminals, and also the highways were closed because there were so many field fires just all over the place. The wildfires came so close to our home that Alfred and I decided to take a road trip out of the house away from the smoke and the terrible, terrible air condition, and take a look. This is what we saw.
Stop. This thing can spread in 1 second.
My God.
Jesus Christ. What's going on here?
So Al and I got so nervous, we decided to pack our passport, money, and get on the road. Here's what we're seeing. That's our place right up there. That's a big one. These are the farms that are burning. So we decided to come here to Tre Castagni, but as you can see, there's also fires here.
Jesus Christ. It's the worst one yet.
Oh, there's fires up there too. Right behind Termini. I don't mind telling you that that was really scary. And even though we're here in Giardini Naxos, it's beautiful. It's one of my favorite places, and Taormina is behind my shoulders. This was very scary. And it's the 2nd year in a row. Last year, the same thing happened. Although those flames came dangerously close to our house and wasn't fun. But let's say a prayer together to all the people who were affected. Just thinking right now of all the elderly, the ill, the children, the animals, and just everyone impacted by this. Mamma mia. Oh, that's a big burn over there. Holy cow. This is just below our house. Ashes everywhere. God. This is leveled. Oh. They must have been evacuated or something. Here we are again, burned to the ground. So sad. These olive trees will never have a chance to come back. This is what we did. We filled up some of these bins, and our neighbors downstairs are trying to get everything wet. Literally fires everywhere we turn. It's the next day, and we're gonna go check out the destruction and whatever we can find. This place right here was a fruit and vegetable seller. This is one of the places that we sometimes frequent because we like to support the locals. Mamma mia. And that is a street food vendor. Completely destroyed. These guys were suffering already. Now their complete livelihood is destroyed. Ugh. These are all melons, their car, everything destroyed. This is Francesco, and this was his street food place. Completely destroyed. Mi dispiace.
Il fuoco ha bruciato tutto. Siamo rimasti senza lavoro e
We remained without work.
con la speranza che lo Stato ci aiuti in qualche modo, perché non abbiamo come fare, abbiamo perso tutto.
We lost everything.
Esatto.
Veramente mi dispiace.
Purtroppo.
You can imagine how devastating it is to the owner to look at this place completely destroyed. Ma tu sei qui ieri?
Non l'ho potuto salvare perché le
I
fiamme
couldn't
sono
save it.
inghiottite. Le fiamme se lo sono inghiottiti, l'hanno bruciato. Non c'è stato niente da fare.
Anya over here just stopped me and said, "Did you see the devastating
Mai
panorama?"
mai come quest'anno c'è stato incendio così grande.
Never has she ever seen anything. Never, ever. Quanti anni abita qua?
Quindi fa
30
30 anni fa, il prossimo
30
anno.
30
il
years.
prossimo
È
anno.
una tristezza.
Tristezza, è una tristezza, ma ieri è stato anche il vento. Ieri il vento
The wind didn't
vento
help.
forte ha fatto il suo
Sì.
danno.
Sì. Down power lines everywhere. Ashes everywhere. Can you see straight ahead? Completely burned. And everyone is talking about it. In fact, someone just said to me, finally we can breathe, because yesterday there was no air. This was all lush green vegetation. You can see how this entire land has been scorched. This is one of the spots that I come to for my daily walk. All the bushes, all the flowers gone. God, no one was living here. Although look at this, completely destroyed. So can you imagine the air quality? This is the street we live in, going right down. All the Fica di India destroyed. Yesterday this was beautiful, lush, and now it's all charred, completely charred. We had a series of 100, 110, 115, some places, degrees, which helped exacerbate the fires. Of course, today it's a little bit cooler. It's in the mid-90s, but we'll take it. Thank you for your support. Of course, we'll have much more on the fires. Also, the situation at the Catania airport, it's good news. It's going to be opening up soon. And that's it. I'm going to go get in cooler shade. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you on Sunday or another episode. Grazie. Arrivederci. Pray for us. Ciao.